Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Yasmin K, with another video. And if you read by the title, we're going to be talking about our skin barrier. Yeah, so we're just going to get right into the video. You know, your skin barrier or your skin actually is the largest organ that your body has. So we definitely want to make sure that our skin is healthy and always up to par, because if it is compromised, then it does compromise us, because our skin helps protect us from any infections and all the harsh things that's out here in the environment. So I'm going to put up some pictures from when my skin barrier was damaged. And back then, I didn't even know that it was damaged. So let's see, little backstory. I went to the dermatologist. This was like, I was probably I'm just now graduating high school, right? This is my first semester in college. And my skin is breaking out really, really bad now. And I did start taking birth control around this time and everything. But I always had acne, but this time it was just breaking out so bad. So my mama decided, let's go to the dermatologist. The dermatologist, they prescribed me 3 different type of prescriptions. One was tretinoin, the other one was azithromycin or some shit like that. And then it was benzoyl peroxide face wash, which is similar to Panoxyl, if a lot of people know what that is. So they gave me this cookie cutter, one size fit all routine about how to use these products. The appointment wasn't even that long, 15-20 minutes. We waited for him to show up in the room longer than the fucking appointment was. I'm going get the products, and then with my insurance, is like some of the stuff you have to pay for. So it was probably like $30-$40 after insurance, whatever. Pay for the stuff, go follow his instructions. Now my skin is getting worse, and then he said that in the appointment, oh, your skin is gonna get worse before it get better because it's purging. So I'm like, okay, so my skin is getting worse, but I'm trying to think back what he said. So I'm like, okay, maybe this is purging. He never told me what purging looked like or anything like that. So I'm continuing to use the products as normal. Skin getting worse. So I do another dermatologist visit, but this was with a different dermatologist, and they said that the products that he gave me was fine. And they also prescribed me doxycycline, which is a pill. Basically, it's an antibiotic, basically, that you take, and it's supposed to help reduce acne, right? So still using that. The only thing they told me to do different was to use sunscreen. Once I use the sun, okay, I'm like, okay, let me get the sunscreen going or whatever. Putting sunscreen on, it burned my skin. So I'm like, what is going on? I can't even use, they're telling me use sunscreen, but this shit stings. It's hurting. Everything is red and inflamed. I'm breaking out more and more, like 10 plus, like cystic. It hurt to sleep on the side of my face, and I'm a side sleeper. Like, that's how bad it was. And my acne, I always had acne, but it was never that bad. So I'm like, what is really going on? So I just say, fuck this shit. Fuck it. I'm not using no products. So I went to like not using any products. I probably only wash my face like once a day. And when I say wash my face, it was like a face wash and moisturizer. I didn't use nothing. And I did that for a while, like probably like 6 months. I was so scared. I didn't know what was going on. The YouTube, if this is pre-TikTok, this is pre-COVID, so it wasn't that much information about these prescriptions that the dermatologist is giving you, and how these acid works and what to do, and if your skin is sensitive. It wasn't a lot of information about that. It was really cookie cutter. So I had to learn on my own, honestly. I had to learn on my own. So I just was like, we're going to start from square one. I said, fuck it. Let's just knock all that shit off the table. We just going to start from square one. So I just went to having a basic routine. And I'm telling y'all this story because if you have similar experience like me, 9 times out of 10, your skin barrier is damaged. And we want to get to a point where I know you have acne, I know you have dark marks, and I know you want to get rid of it really, really bad, but we have to get to a point where our skin barrier is healthy, because if it's compromised, then we're always going to constantly get that acne, we're going to get those dark marks, we're just going to have, it's going to be more irritation, so it's never going to solve our problem. We're never going to have healthy, happy skin, acne-free skin, hyperpigmentation-free skin without a healthy skin barrier. And I feel like that is step one to help getting on track to clearing up your acne. Excuse me, y'all. To clearing up your acne and also clearing up hyperpigmentation. So step one, if you know that your skin barrier is damaged, stop all actives. Any actives. We want gentle cleansers. We want, even if we're using a toner, I suggest not using a toner, because most toners are going to be stripping and drying. But if you do want to use a toner, you need a toner that's going to moisturize your skin. Moisturize. We're thinking about replenish. So when you're going to go pick up products, and once you know your skin barrier is damaged, you're thinking about replenishing and moisture. That's what your skin needs to help repair those. See, they need some ceramides and glycerin and stuff like that. So I will always suggest starting there. You don't use any actives. You're going to have a really, really basic routine where it's going to be a basic face wash. You can maybe double cleanse depending on how the season, because if it's cold, you don't want to be washing your skin that much. Or I have dry skin, so if it's cold and you are prone to having flaky and dry skin, then you might want to think about how often you wash your skin if it is drying. But that's why I like to use a double cleanser or oil cleanser, because I feel like as though it does moisturize my skin, and it doesn't make my skin feel stripped and dry, but it does make it feel clean. So I love double cleansing. I hope I said double cleansing. I love double cleansing. I use dermatological oil cleanser. I am thinking about using different type of cleansers now, because I feel more better in my skin and where I'm at. So I'm open to using new products, but as of now, I've been using dermatological oil, pre-cleanse oil. I think that's what it's called. So again, get you a good face wash. I use a regular gel face wash. It's not stripping. It doesn't have any actives in it. Regular degular. You can use Cetaphil or CeraVe if you want. Just regular, something that's just going to cleanse your skin. We don't need nothing extra messing up what's already messed up. Okay? Toner. Your toner, you can use a moisturizing toner. The only moisturizing toner that I've used that I feel as though the moisturizing doesn't strip your skin is Laneige toner. That one is Chef Kiss. So then after you wash your skin and tone, you really just want to go in with the moisturizer. I use Pond's moisturizer morning and night, and then I will follow up with in the morning, I will follow up with sunscreen, because you want to protect your skin because it's already damaged. And the sun, the environment that we live in, like dirt and debris, all of that is going to cause your skin to be more inflamed and more irritated, especially when the skin barrier is compromised. So want to make sure that we're using sunscreen every day, and make sure that you apply that sunscreen good all on your face and your neck as well. Then after your sunscreen at nighttime, I will say maybe like 2 or 3 times a week, depending on how dry your skin is, you need to slug. I like using CeraVe healing ointment. So when my skin was damaged and it needed to be healed and it was so inflamed, that was the only thing that really helped soothe my skin. So it was like I slugged at night, and then when I woke up, it wasn't so irritated and also red. So that helps with the redness. It helps with the inflammation. It's going to help repair the skin barrier as well, because it's full of ceramides and glycerin and stuff like that that's going to help moisturize and replenish our skin. So I do like using CeraVe healing ointment. I'm not sure what's the difference between that and petroleum jelly and Vaseline and all that stuff. So you can figure it out. I'm just going to promote that one because that's the one that I've been using. I got the big old jar, and I've probably been having that one for like 3 years. Like, probably, yeah, I think I've been having that one for like 3 years. So I would definitely suggest going and get that. That is really good. I use it on my face and my body, and it doesn't clog your pores, and it's not gonna do none of that. So I suggest using that. So it just helps speed up the rate to repair your skin. Honestly, for me, I had a basic, simple. I didn't use any actives for probably like 6 months to a year because I was so scared because my skin was fucked up. So it was like I wasn't getting any cystic acne anymore, like that hard red, all of that. But I was still getting acne, obviously, because I wasn't using any ingredients that help prevent or get rid of the acne that I was getting. But I was at a good point where when I'm using products like hyaluronic acid, my skin is not burning. So I would definitely suggest, at least you know your skin best, so I wouldn't even put a time frame on it. I would definitely say at least minimum 2 weeks. Just do a basic skincare routine. If you catch it early when it's not that damaged, if you go in and just stick to like moisturizing and replenishing, even throwing in a little hyaluronic acid, because they help replenish the moisture in your skin barrier, then you'll be able to help repair it faster, and then you can start back and figure out, okay, we're gonna come up with a better game plan so you don't damage the skin barrier again. But even if you do, you'll be able to catch on or figure out that that's what's going on faster, and then you'll already have a routine to help make sure that you repair your skin as soon as possible. So those are all of my tips I have for you today about your skin barrier. If you like videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with anybody and everybody that you think may like this video. Stay blessed and stay positive. Peace.